Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you today? I hope you ready to learn mathematics with me. And today our lesson is about compare and arrange numbers. Okay, we're not wasting our time. We start now. Okay, look at the question number 1. The table shows the number of blocks used to build 4 models of robot, building, house and car. And the number of blocks according to the model is about 118,200, 320,915, 120,290, and for car 98,050. And the question asks you which model use more blocks, robot or house. I want you to introduce the technique to compare the number using place value chart. Place value. Okay. We draw the table of place value. Okay. We fill in the chart according to the place value. I write down here for robot, and the number of blocks for robot is 118,200, and the number of blocks for house is 120,290. Okay, now. Okay. So the first step we want to compare the number is we look at the place value of 100,000. Okay, the value is 100,000 for robot, and for house also 100,000. So both are same value. We can't compare the number. We can't compare the value. So we go to the 10,000. We look at the 10,000. Okay, when we look at the 10,000, we find out that for robot is about 10,000. And for house is about 20,000. So now we can identify and we can compare which one is the more value, or which one is which model use more blocks. Yeah, the house are using more blocks compared to robot. So we just write down the answer. The answer is the house model use more blocks. Okay. Look at for the second question. Arrange all 4 numbers of blocks in ascending order. Okay, the question asks you to arrange the number according to ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order is the number arranged from the smallest to the largest value. So, now you have to compare 4 numbers. Okay, to make it easy, you have to use place value chart. Very good. Okay, now we draw a chart. Okay, now I have a chart. So we fill in the chart according to the number of blocks, and we just write down the model of robot is about 118,200. Okay, be careful, 98,000. So we have to write down according to the place value 98,050. Okay, be careful, huh? Okay, now, right? What are we going to do is, remember, look at the 100,000, identify which one is the smallest value, because we want to arrange the number according to ascending order. So find out which one is the smallest value. You can find it out now using place value chart. Okay, 100,000, robot 100,000. Building 300,000, house 100,000, but car there is 0 here. So now you can find out that the number of blocks for car is the smallest amount. Okay, so write down 98,050. So we can cancel here. Okay, for easy for us to look for the number, to compare the number. Now 3 left. Okay, 3 left, robot, building and house. What are we going to do is compare the value. Alright, 100,000. I choose robot and house only. Why? Because both of them, robot and house, have the same value, 100,000, 100,000. We go to the 10,000. Okay, look at 10,000. Okay. Okay. 10,000 and 20,000 compared to house. Okay. So the robot are using 118,200. So the house, for the third number, the house are using 120,290. Okay. And the last one, the largest number is building. Okay. Okay. Question number 2. The following are 4 numbers card. Which number has a smaller value? 536,500 or 538,900. Which one is the smaller value? Okay. Using place value chart, you can compare the value. Okay. Now fill in the chart with the numbers. According to the number, we can compare the value. First one, look at the 100,000. Again, 100,000. Find out that the value is 500,000. This one is also 500,000. This is for number 1 and this is for number 2. So we can compare. Look at the 10,000 also. The number has 30,000. Second number also 30,000. We can compare. The value are same. Okay. So go through to the 1,000. Now we can find out which number is smaller. Number 1 or number 2. Because number 1 has 6,000. Number 2 has 8,000. So which one is the smallest number? Yeah, the number 1 is the smallest number compared to second number. Okay, we write down the answer. So now you can understand, I hope. Okay. Okay, question number 2. Arrange all 4 numbers above in descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? Descending order is number arranged from the largest to the smallest value. So for this question, we have to find out the largest number first. Okay. Using place value. Okay. Okay, the place value chart are ready. Now we fill in the chart with the numbers. Okay, number 1 is... Okay, alright. Remember again, we want to compare the number. We look at the 100,000 first. All the value is 500,000. Now, what are we going to do is, we look at the 10,000. Okay. Remember that we want to find out the largest number because we want to arrange all the number according to descending order. So, the first of all is we want to find out the largest number. Okay. So, look at the 10,000. You see 4334. So, you can find out that the 40,000 and 40,000 are the same value. So, number 1 and number 4. Okay. Same value. 500,000, 500,000, for 10,000, 40,000, 40,000, same value. So look at the thousands. Okay, look at the 1,000. The value is for number 1, 0, no amount in 1,000. Okay, for number 4, number 4 has 1,000. So we compare number 1 and number 4. Which one is the biggest? Yeah, number 4. So write down 541,250. Okay, automatic number 1 become second number. Okay, do you understand? Two left. Number 2 and number 3. So, compare again. Look at 100,000, same value. Okay, we can't compare. Look at 10,000, same value. 30,000, 30,000. So, what are we going to do? Look at thousands. Okay, look at the thousand. We can find out that the number 2 is become the third number. 538,900, and the last one is the smallest number is number 3. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good. Now, for question number 3, okay, what are we going to do is look at the sequence number above. What are the possible value of t? Okay, this time we are using number line. Now, draw a number line. The number is, the possible value of t are 600,132 or 600,133. Okay? Okay, good. Now, okay. Now we want to fill in the blank with more than or less than. Okay, this one is very easy. Okay, now you know how to compare the number using place value chart. Now, with this question, no need to do place value chart, but identify which number is more than and less than. Okay, look at the number, look at the value of this number, also this number. So, which one is the bigger, which one is the smaller? Which one? Yeah, so what is the word you have to write down here for number A? Yeah, is more than. Is more than. Okay, 354,923 is more than 345,923. Look at this amount. Okay, for B, which word you have to write down here to compare both numbers? Yeah, is less than. Okay, 100,400 is less than 110,000. Okay. Okay, to make you understand and to make you remember what we are learning today, you have to answer this question. Okay, for number 1, which number is larger? You can compare the number according to the place value, and you have to use place value chart. Okay, I want you to answer this question with using place value chart. For number 2, fill in the blank with is more than or is less than. Just write down in the box which is more than or less than according to the value of number. Okay. Number 3, arrange the number in ascending and descending order. So for A, I want you to arrange according to the ascending order. And for B, you have to arrange the number according to descending order. Okay. Both questions you have to use place value chart. Do like we learned before. Okay. Number 4, complete the possible value for the number sequence below. Okay, this one you have to use number line. I want you to use number line to answer this question. Okay, and thank you for now. See you next time.